So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are gonna use Grok 3 beta to create some logo design. So guys, as you know, Grok 3 is right now the most smartest AI which was created by Elon Musk. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you're gonna use Grok 3 to generate some amazing retro professional creative logo design. So guys, here you can see I am in the dashboard of Grok 3. So just come to x.com, create a profile. So after you create a profile, here you can see an option Grok. So just go there. So this is the main dashboard of Grok 3 beta. So I'm gonna go for the full screen. We are gonna create some retro style logo design. So what we are gonna do at first, just I'm gonna search something here like suggest me some retro food logo prompt, cartoon type, vector food logo, retro food logo, food shops logo, and restaurant logo type. So guys, let's see. I need some logo design prompt from Grok 3. So I have just added suggest me some retro food logo prompts, which will be cartoon type and vector and retro and shops logo and restaurant logo type. So I'm gonna hit enter. So let's see how Grok 3 will give us some answer. So guys, as you can see, it's creating our prompt. So at first it says retro dinner burger logo. Okay, a cartoon style juicy hamburger with a white green wearing 1950s dinner hat. Okay, then it says vintage ice cream parlor cone. Then cartoon pizza delivery guy. So guys, there are lots of prompt we can see. So now we are gonna use this prompt to create the wonderful logo. So I'm gonna copy this one like retro dinner burger logo. So let's see how this AI will create a burger logo for us. So I'm gonna search here like now create me 4 version of this logo. So I'm gonna paste it here. So now I have just added a prompt like now create me 4 version of this logo, retro dinner burger logo, a cartoon style juicy hamburger with a white green wearing a 1950s dinner hat, vector lines in bold red, yellow and white with a checkered background, reminiscence of old school dinner flow. So guys, let's see how Grok 3 will create this logo for us. So I'm gonna add like now create me full version of image. Okay, full version of image logo. Okay, so I'm gonna hit enter. So let's see Grok 3 beta will create a burger logo or not. So guys, as you can see, it's creating 2 logos. I have told her to create me 4 versions, so it's creating 2 logos. So guys, as you can see the result. So guys, this is the result. So if you are going to running a food shop or restaurant or a online business, you can get amazing logo ideas from Grok 3. So guys, this is the logo which prompt was retro dinner burger logo, a cartoon style juicy hamburger with a white green blah blah blah. So after it generates, so as you can see, there is a burger logo and it's smiling. So this is really great. So here you can see you have a emotion on every burger. So this is great. So now here we can see some option like in pop art style, in retro joke box, in neon dinner light. So let's say I'm gonna add like add retro joke box. So I'm gonna hit here. So let's see how this logo will convert to retro joke box. So guys, this is really great. As you can see, this is the output. So right now we are gonna see something new. Okay, so here it says vintage ice cream parlor cone, a swirling soft server ice cream cone with a cheeky wing. So let's see how this will work. So I'm gonna again copy. So I'm gonna paste it here. Then I'm gonna adjust it and I'm gonna tell like, create me this logo design. Okay, create me two version of this logo design. Okay, so I'm gonna add comma, then it says vintage ice cream parlor cone, a swirling soft serve ice cream cone with a cheeky wing, stylish pasta pink, blah blah blah. So guys, let's see how it will create us a vintage ice cream parlor cone logo. So I'm gonna hit enter. Guys, let's see how Grok 3 will create some logo design ideas. So guys, as you can see, it's a ice cream logo design, and you can download this image and you can use Photoshop or Canva to add your own brand name. Okay, so here you will find some option like save image, copy image, then post image and edit. So here you can also find a option to edit your image. So guys, this is really great, and this one is pretty good. You can use this idea to create some awesome logo. Okay, so here you can see some option like in pop art style, add vintage jokos in neon pink tone. So let's say I'm gonna add in neon pink tones in this version of logo. So let's say I'm gonna hit in neon pink tone. So let's see how this will convert to a neon pink tones. So you don't need any editor. So AI is creating everything for you. So here you can also see some option in pop art style, add glitter sparks, and in electric purple tone. So guys, this is really wonderful to create some retro food logo ideas. So let's see something new. So then it says cartoon pizza delivery guy. So guys, let's see how this will create some cartoon pizza delivery guy. Okay, so I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna search for like, create me some image of this logo design. So I'm gonna add comma, then I'm gonna paste it. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust it like again, like create me some image for this logo design. Cartoon pizza delivery guy, a vector illustration of a pizza slice with arm and legs riding a Vespa wearing 70s style helmet. Use warm organized yellow red with Robbie pizza stock. Okay, so here you can add your company name. So let's see how Grok 3 will create some cartoon pizza delivery guy logo. Okay, so I'm gonna hit it. So guys, as you can see, it just created a classic donut shop logo. Guys, this is really wonderful. The color, the donut creativity is really awesome. So guys, as you can see, I have just added a prompt like, create me some image of logo design ideas. Classic donut shop logo, a cheerful frosted donut with sprinkles, and as you can see here, you can see a lots of sprinkles, and and a big smile surrounded by a retro neon sign appeal. And it says use a vector palette of pink, Turkish, turquoise and purple with a donut delight script in the curved 80s font. Guys, this is really great. As you can see, there is a donut, there are some sparkles, and it's smiling, and the brand name is behind. Guys, this is wonderful. So now you are gonna add something like pop art style, sparkling Starburst, golden car save script. So let's see how we are gonna add some golden cursive script to this logo. Okay, so I'm gonna hit golden cursive script. So let's see what will happen. Oh my god, guys, as you can see, it added some golden cursive script, and this one looking so good. So as you can see, the previous one, okay, so it added some golden color in this area. So guys, this is really wonderful. You can change the color design by giving some prompt. Okay, so it's also suggesting some style like calligraphy, twinkle style, accent, silver cursive. So let's see, I'm gonna add twinkle star accent to this logo. Okay, so let's see how it will add some twinkle star accent to this logo image. So guys, as you know, there are lots of AI image generator in online, but I have personally used Grok 3 to create some logo design or image design, and the result is outstanding. Okay, so it I don't know what it changed, but this is the ultimate result, and this one is also good. So I need both of the logo design on my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna download this one, I'm gonna download this one. So you can go for the edit option. Okay, so now let's see some more interesting logo design we can create. So it says old school taco trap, then greasy spoon breakfast palette, popcorn drive-in snack. So let's see how we can create some popcorn drive-in snack logo. So I'm gonna copy this one. The process is the same, just paste it and just adjust it and just add at the beginning, like simply say that like create me this logo design image. Okay, so I'm gonna hit enter. So let's see how it will create me some popcorn drive in with a snack logo design. Okay, so guys, in the later video we will also explore some more professional 3D type logo. Okay guys, let's see. This is a popcorn drive in snack logo type, like a bucket of popcorn with a graphic grain wearing 3D glasses, a style in 60s drive-in movie theme, red, white and black vector design with a snack marquee sign above. Guys, this is the result and this is really great. So if someone planning to add a shop behind the movie theaters, so this is the logo design you can go for. This is really wonderful. So I am not saying you that use Grok 3 beta to create your logo design. I am just telling you that you can get some amazing ideas of logo from this Grok 3 beta. Okay, so this is really wonderful, as you can see. So guys, as you can see, I have shown you different type of food logo design you can create by using Grok 3 beta. So here you can see we can see some more like greasy spoon breakfast palette. Okay, so let's see one last logo. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this one, I'm gonna go. Okay, then it says greasy spoon breakfast plate, a vector stack of pancakes, bacon and eggs with happy faces, blah blah blah. Okay, so we are gonna use this prompt to see some ideas like how you're gonna need your food logo. Okay, so let's just hit enter. 2018, 2017, we didn't know that in 2025 there are so much option. So this is too much. So if you need this type of logo design, so you can add this prompt to create some of logo design. Like this one is too much for a simple logo. So use Grok 3 beta to create your amazing logo design. In the latest video, I will try to show you how we're going to create some 3D and professional logos from Grok 3 beta or any other AI image generator. So thank you so much. Please like the video and subscribe. Thank you.